Hey everyone, you're sitting at your desk, frustrated. Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, desperately trying to remember your Monzo login details? It's a common struggle, trust me. In this video, we're going to break down the simple steps to log into your Monzo account, no matter how many times you've forgotten your password. Building context. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about why logging into Monzo is so important. Monzo is more than just a bank account, it's a financial tool that can help you manage your money more effectively. From checking your balance to making payments, everything starts with a successful login. Step-by-step guide. Open the Monzo app. The first step is obvious, but it's worth mentioning. Locate the Monzo app on your phone and tap on it to open it. Enter your phone number or email. You'll be greeted with a screen asking for your phone number or email address. This is the information you used when you first signed up for Monzo. Verify your identity. Once you've entered your details, Monzo will send you a verification code via SMS or email. This is a security measure to ensure that it's you trying to access your account. Enter the verification code, copy and paste the verification code into the provided field on the Monzo app. Set your PIN. If you haven't already set a PIN, you'll be prompted to do so. This PIN will be used for in-app purchases and ATM withdrawals. Access your account. Once you've entered the correct verification code and set your PIN, if necessary, you'll be logged into your Monzo account. Troubleshooting tips. Forgot your password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Monzo provides a simple process to reset it. Just tap on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. App issues. If you're experiencing issues with the Monzo app, try updating it to the latest version. This can often resolve bugs and improve performance. Contact Monzo support. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support team. They're there to help you resolve any issues you may encounter. Additional features and tips. Biometric authentication. Many smartphones now support biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. You can enable this feature in the Monzo app for a more convenient and secure login experience. Monzo card. Your Monzo card is a physical representation of your account. Make sure you have it handy for in-store purchases and ATM withdrawals. Monzo Pots. Monzo offers a feature called Pots that allows you to set aside money for specific goals. This can be a great way to save for a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund. Conclusion. Logging into your Monzo account should be a straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to access your account and start managing your money more effectively. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support team. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.